How to print a message or email on Gmail. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to print any message or email on your Gmail easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Gmail. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Choose the message that you want to print. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now all what you have to do is choose it like this, and now all what you have to do is go here on those three dots and click on print. And congratulations. Now all what you have to do is click print here and everything's gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you in the next video.